Yeah, freelancers, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got a topic that's absolutely essential for anyone working on hourly contracts on Upwork. We're talking about the Upwork Time Tracker. This nifty tool is here to actually make your life easier when it comes to billing hours and ensuring transparency with your clients. If you are a subscriber, we want to thank you immensely for being part of us. And if you're new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to anyone who may need it. Let's look at the importance of Upwork Time Tracker. The Upwork Time Tracker, also known as the Job Tracker, is more than just a clock. It's a secret weapon for ensuring transparency, accuracy, and accountability in hourly contracts in the Upwork platform. Let's break it down why it's so important. Firstly, accurate time logging. The job tracker allows you to precisely log your work hours and activities. No more guesstimates. It automatically records the time you work on each task, ensuring that you provide precise invoices to your client. This feature is a win-win for both freelancers and clients. It captures screenshots and tracks activity levels, providing visual evidence of the work done. Clients can easily verify your productivity and the time dedicated to their project. 3. Billing transparency. The job tracker promotes billing transparency by providing a detailed work diary. Before submitting your invoices, you can review your logged hours, activity levels, and screenshots. This transparency helps build trust between you and your clients. 4. Dispute resolution. In case of any disputes, the job tracker serves as an objective evidence. Those logged hours, screenshots, and activity levels can be key to resolving conflicts and ensuring fair payment. 5. Payment protection. With accurate time logging and verifiable records, the job tracker protects you by ensuring that you get paid for actual work that you've done. Clients are less likely to dispute hours when there is clear evidence. 6. Platform compliance. Upwork requires the use of job tracker for hourly contracts. It's not just a suggestion, it's a policy. Failure to use it might result in a violation of Upwork's terms of service, so it's a must for compliance. Now that we have actually looked at what Upwork Job Tracker is and its importance, let's dive in straight to explore the Upwork Job Tracker itself right on my PC. Let's go. So, guys, at the time you land on your Upwork profile, you have logged in. I'm going to show you how you can actually download the Upwork Job Tracker. All you just need to do is to scroll down to the bottom of the page. You can be anywhere in your profile, anywhere at all. As long as you're logged in on Upwork, you always see the desktop app here. So once you click it, it will load and it will take you to a download source where you can actually start downloading it. But before you download, please ensure that you download what works best for you. But according to Upwork, it says this Upwork job tracker actually works best for Windows 10 and higher. So if your laptop is still Windows 9 or Windows 7, you may want to consider a software upgrade. So once you are sure about that, then you have to look at the Windows version, whether it's for 32 bits or 64 bits. You have to also check out your laptop if it has a capacity to take any of these bits. Now that you have done that, once you download it, it's going to your Upwork Job Tracker is going to start showing like this. So it will show you like if you have any job, it will show you. But if you don't have, it will just be be empty. So currently, as you're looking at this, you can see that I have two tasks going on. So let's assume I want to log for this. I want to log for this particular tax. I just come here and switch on. The client had already given me 7 hours weekly, so I can't go beyond this because it has already been set. So you have to be careful. Even if the job you're doing is much more. Once it gets to the 7 hours, ensure that you stop. And then as you're doing your work, this tracker actually captures your screen. So you can see here, this is my last screen captured. You can see this place. It's the last screen captured, and it also takes strokes of your typings and all that. It takes record of your movements, both keystrokes and screen grabs. So you have to be careful. Ensure that you are always on the job and you are doing the job at which you are tracking for. Otherwise, you might have a dispute with your client and you will not be paid. So let's take, for example, that probably you were tracking time and mistakenly one of the jobs that you were not doing just covered your screen and then this tracker grabbed it. What you can do is to actually go to the view work diary. At the view work diary, you can be able to remove any any screen grab that you don't want. But bear in mind that when you remove that, the particular hour that you logged is also going to be deleted. So there's no job here right now track that would have shown you. But once you click on your work diary, at your work diary, you can edit, you can remove any job that tracked that you don't want to be tracked. And then here also, it's important to always add your memo. Your memo signifies what you are working on at that particular time. So for me, I sent a reminder of every 4 hours so that this tracker can actually remind me to always set my memo so that even if I've changed what I'm working on, I can always change it here. Now, why is this important? This is important because if there's a dispute between you and your client refuses to pay, Upwork can pay you, and that's why the Upwork time tracker comes with protection. So if Upwork reviews everything and sees that your memo is correct and your memo rhymes with what you are actually working on, they will pay you. They will pay you even whether the client pays or not. So, and you can also add manual time on your job tracker. Now, manual time depends on what you and your client have always actually spoke about. Like for this client and myself, we actually agreed on you know, manual time tracking. So you have to also watch out. Is it what you agreed on? If it's what you agreed on, fine. Then you can add time manually. So adding time manually is still very easy. You just have to set the date, set the time zone, whether it's your time zone or Upwork's time zone. Now, I want to let you know that every week, this Upwork time tracker kind of goes back to initial. Now, every Sunday at the end of 12 o'clock, by 12 o'clock every Sunday, 12 a.m. every Sunday, the Upwork job tracker kind of revitalizes itself to the beginning. So it starts tracking again from that 12 o'clock. So anytime that you do not log before 12 midnight on Sunday, that time is already lost. There are many things that we could keep going on and on to talk about, but because of time reference, and if you have any comment, any question about this Upwork job tracker, please leave a comment in the comment section and we'll be able to answer any of your questions. Please remember to subscribe to this channel so that whenever we drop any video that is very important to you, you'll be the first to see it and you will learn something important. Once again, my name is Franklin and this is Audible Talents. Bye for now.